So, in this video, we will discuss briefly demand for complete independence, right. So, in 1920s, you will see this demand for complete independence, right. You can see, and many nationalists, even some communists started demanding complete independence. So, the heading would be demand for complete independence. See, not independence, complete independence, right, complete independence. This you have to remember. So, when this idea complete independence, you will see that I told you that in 1920s only you will see this kind of demand. Initially there was no demand of independence, then there was demand of Swaraj, and in 1920 there was demand of Purna Swaraj, and finally officially in 1929, right, in the Lahore session, you will see officially this Purna Swaraj demand. In 1921 only, right, if you have heard about a name called Hasrat Mohani, Hasrat Mohani. Hasrat Mohani is known for, you can say, proposing this, you can say this demand of complete independence, right. And before that also and after that also many communists also started saying this, but officially in 1929 there was, right, official acceptance of Purna Swaraj. We are saying that in Lahore session Purna Swaraj resolution was passed. Is it okay? What we have to remember, just try to understand it. So, initially there was demand of Swaraj, particularly after 1906, and in 1920s the idea of Purna Swaraj, and here Hasrat Mohani would be important. But officially Lahore session of 1929 is known for demand of complete independence, and here in this Lahore session who was the president? Jawaharlal Nehru. So, it was a very important event because there was a clarity, there was a clear cut demand. Now we want complete independence, there is no vagueness, complete Purna Swaraj, and they tried to explain also what is the meaning of Purna Swaraj. Fine. So, when they are asking, right, the process of, you can say, the story of the demand of complete independence. So, demand, right, 1929, yes, officially, but before this also there was demand, and I highlighted a name that you cannot forget, Hasrat Mohani. Is it okay? So, Lahore session is known for demand of complete independence. They can ask you, discuss the significance of Lahore session. Right, suppose there is a question, right, that significance of Lahore session of Indian National Congress 1929. So, what is the significance of it? Significance is they passed Purna Swaraj resolution. So, most important significance of this Lahore session is Purna Swaraj resolution. Purna Swaraj resolution. But this is only one significance. You have some more significance of, you can say, Lahore session, like number 2. Number 2, this is the most important. This you have to write, Purna Swaraj resolution. Then second significance we can add of Lahore session significance. It brought back Gandhi again. It brought back Gandhi again to active politics, right. So, after the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement, right, Gandhiji, right, was not in active politics, but in 1929 you will see Gandhiji coming again back, Gandhiji is back, right. So, it brought back Gandhi again to active politics, this Lahore session, and decision to launch civil disobedience movement was taken, and decision to launch civil disobedience movement was taken, right. Now onward Jawaharlal Nehru, started playing dominant role in Indian national movement, right. So, these are significance. Then next, after Lahore session, youth started playing active role in national movement as a class. Youth started playing active role in the national movement, and the participation of youth symbolized what? Participation of youth symbolized new radical spirit of our national movement. So, what we have to remember, after Lahore session, radicalization, right, radicalization, this kind of word we are using. So, this is the significance, right, of Lahore session. Then next significance is that now 26th January was declared as Independence Day for the first time, and a tricolor flag was adopted and hoisted, right. So, a tricolor flag. So, this is also significance. Fine. Then one more significance you can write. Can you add one more? One more significance of this Lahore session, right. We can add that now onward socialism started influencing Indian National Congress. Socialism started influencing Indian National Congress, right. And there was a new approach towards princely state. Till now, you will see till 1929, Congress had no official policy towards princely state, right. But now onward, right, Nehru declared that they cannot be left alone. So, you will see now onward some interference, right, from the Congress, right, in these princely states. So, these are significance of Lahore session of Indian National Congress. Fine. So, they can ask you a straightforward question, significance. You will start with Purna Swaraj resolution, and you can highlight these 5-6 important dimension related to, right, Lahore session. Fine. And there was a radicalization of movement now, right. So, there was a new momentum in Indian national movement now.